Hawaii morning routine. So yes guys, I'm very sorry. I forgot to tell you that we're in Hawaii, but no, we haven't moved there. This is not my main family, by the way. This is the kind of rich family. Also, their last name is Cannell, so I don't have people in the kind of rich family. So they're in Hawaii for a week, and my best friend is also here with us, but she is having a shower now in real life. So, yeah, let's get started. Yep. Okay. Cat. Yay. Wake up! No. Ugh. Mommy, Daddy, come on, wake up! Wait, what time is it? Whoa, 9 a.m. Oh my god, our boat ride's at 10. Oh, wow, okay. Get up! What? It's 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh. Okay, we gotta get ready. Alright, you guys get ready. Alright, I'm gonna get changed. Get up! The boat ride's in 1 hour! Oh, whoa, okay. How long does it take to get there? 45 minutes. Oh my gosh. Don't worry that. Oh, okay. Alright, we get ready to go. I need to get changed. Oh, yeah. Oopsies. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's get Lucky. Alright, let's go. We're finally here. That took so long. Hello, everyone. Oh, I recognize you from when you came to book it. Your ship, it will be waiting for you in the other room. Okay, thank you. Here you go. This is yours. Thank you. You guys ready? I'm so sorry. I was backing up from my last order. Alright, we guys ready? Let's put some belly balls on here. Oh, yeah, those are my stash, okay? Close. Alright, perfect. We're just gonna sail in, start up, and then we'll get going. Alright, let's get started. I'm just having a sip of my milk. Yeah, delicious. Let's get started, y'all. Now, we are going to put this down just like so, and wait for a fish to catch it. Sweet a crab, fresh to eat. I'll have it. Pretty good actually. Let me just finish it up. That's actually really good. Alright, great. We're gonna go have a look at the fish now. That is woolly mammoth shark. Did not hurt a single person. Oh, really? Yep. Alright. Now we're gonna go to a nice cruising altitude. Boat altitude. And we're going to start by putting one of our fish rods down. I want to do it this time. Okay. Oh, it's a tiny one. That will be perfect to eat just as is. Great, you guys. So good. You guys can pay it from. We'll just boat back. Alright. Alright. Wow, that was actually really fun. I wanna chocolate covered banana. Okay. Me too. Get it out. No, guys, you are not having these. No, we are. Fine. Sweet, y'all.